Hello. Do you want to learn English? The best way to learn English is to listen to it often and practice speaking it as often as possible. This video will help you improve your English speaking skills and your English listening skills. English listening skills are so important. You will improve your speaking and listening ability very quickly with this way. This is a great way to help familiarize yourself with the English language and give you a good chance to learn and remember new English words. You must learn English by listening first. You must listen first if you want to speak English automatically, easily, quickly and correctly.
Alvin wants a new laptop. His parents are poor though. His mom recently lost her job. His dad recently quit his job. Alvin knows that he can't ask his parents for a laptop. He decides to ask his rich Uncle Todd. He drives over to Todd's house. Todd's house is beautiful. It has 3 stories. There is a chandelier on the ceiling. There are expensive paintings all over the place. There are 5 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms. Alvin wishes he could live there. Todd offers him something to eat. Alvin says, "No, thanks. I already ate." Todd asks him why he is coming. Alvin does not know what to say. He does not want to come off as rude. "My laptop is really old, and I need a laptop for school. I would ask my parents, but they don't have jobs anymore," Alvin says. "I understand," Todd says. Todd takes out $800 from his wallet and gives it to Alvin. Alvin jumps up and down. He has never felt so happy in his entire life. His mom asks Alvin why he is so happy. Alvin does not say anything. He doesn't want to make his mom feel bad.
Thanks for watching. Please share and like if you enjoyed the video. Thanks so much. Please subscribe to update new videos.